going to show you how to make a simple application with Xcode. For all the people who got the new Xcode, I don't really use it. I suck at the new Xcode. I just use the old Xcode. It's better. It looks better. So once you have opened Xcode, you go up here and click on New Project. It's gonna be like application here, but we're gonna make it a Mac application, and it's gonna be an application. It's called Coca application. You double click on that, then you choose a name. I'm just gonna call it test, and then it's gonna open this window. I'm gonna make it full screen because it looks better further down. But we don't really need anything that's like up here, but don't delete it. You go down here, open this, and double click on the main menu, XIB. For guys who don't have the new Xcode, interface will open up. For guys who have both of the Xcodes, Xcode will open up the other Xcode and will open the window like this. Interface will exactly look like this. Okay, that was it. Now, as you can see, you have like those things up here. It's better if you already click on the window because then you have like all the things at the same time. But you can delete this. We're gonna leave file, but we're gonna delete everything till print. So basically, everything from here. So we just have print. We're gonna rename it. I'm just gonna rename this to. Oopsies, that wasn't planned. I'm just gonna rename this to test. You can delete everything except about application and quit, because you don't really need them. Okay, and you can rename them to about test, whatever you call your application, and then we're gonna continue. Okay, so you have a window here. If you click on it, you can move it around with the blue. If you touch the blue line and make it bigger. So let's see, I'm gonna make it like this. Here if you click on this thing, you have everything you need for this window. You can rename it. I'm gonna rename it to test. So it's called test now. The controls are the 3 buttons. You can say, if you don't want a close thing, take that away. It's really good because you can't open the window again after you close it. Resize, I wouldn't use it, but minimize is good. Minimize. Appearance, title bar, if you don't want it, just take it away, but I like it. Texture is really good. It looks so much better, as you can see. And shadow, as you can see here, is a little black. If I take it, it like doesn't do anything, but it doesn't look as cool. So I'm just gonna keep the shadowy part. You don't need anything else. So you should go to this. It should be on this 3D square. You should be on object library. When you're object library, you can go search or just find it. Write text. Up here you'll see text field, but we need wrapping text field because we're gonna make a word test. Like we're gonna make a fake word. You're gonna have this. Actually, it's better. The bigger the window, the better it is. So it looks like a fake word. Okay. You can see here. There we go. Yeah, that looks like a word. Now we have that. You can. It's like Word. Then you need button. You just take the text away. You just go up to the top, and you'll have push button, gradient button. Download React button, and I don't care about those. Gradient button looks the best one to put next to each other. What I'm gonna do is, because we're not gonna have that many buttons, I'm gonna call this undo. Now you do right click. Whoa. You right click, release one button, then you pull to first respawner, and click on undo. So you have like an undo thing, because anything you did will be undone. What? And another gradient button, put it right next to it. You can call it. How about you call it print? Because we're gonna print. You do the right click again and release one finger and just pull it to this window and click on print. That should actually already do, because you don't actually need anything else for your word, fake word. Now you can go up here and save, or just do the short thing, minimize this and click on build and go here. And it's gonna start building your application. Shouldn't take that long. Actually it will, but it won't. Actually it was pretty fast. Okay, it succeeded. See, it opened. It should have no icon yet. And as you can see, it has the undo button, has the print button. Oh, we forgot to link this. Now I can just write like, hey, hi, how are you, whatever you want to write. You can do undo. It undoes everything, which really sucks. And if you click on print, it would be just like, it takes a while, of course, because it always takes a while. Even sometimes for Word it takes a while, the original Word. And then this should come up. And then you should have all the things you need. That's basically the application thing. What I just want to fix the error, because if you want to fix it and you don't know how to, it would suck. Just click on file and you do right click on that, release one finger, and pull this to this window again, print. Now if you save it again and click on build and go, and if you write like something, click on print, it will do the exact same thing. If you want to change the icon, you need the application to be running. You can go onto options, show it and find it. It's the same way I used to publish my applications, not paying Apple for it. You can just take your application and pull it to your desktop, because I always do it because I feel like it. If you have an icon, which I have somewhere, I'm just gonna show you how to. If I want to have the icon from Screenflow, you just do. You right click on that and go to Get Info. Then you're going to your application and click Get Info. Then you're gonna click on this icon up here. It's gonna turn blue. Then you go to Edit, Copy. You're gonna click on this till it turns blue. Then you're gonna go to Paste. Now you have the icon Screenflow. You can do that with any application. That's, you could change this thing to that thing. See, and now when I run it as this, looks better. And you can minimize it and get it back up. If you wonder how I just did that, the slow motion thing, you just press shift and then do that. Okay. Now that we have our own application, you're ready to go and put it on your website. I'm gonna make a tutorial on how to make your own website. I just want to show you an application I made with the Xcode. It's called, let's see if it's still here, Study Guide. It's a really known. I call it Study Guide Update. It helps you study and it has an agenda. You have the web. It has a web view. You can like search anything. Like if you're researching something from medieval, I think I spelled it wrong. Medieval days. You can search that, and at the same time, you can just work on your Word document. If you like have an essay to write, you can reload. Stop reloading. Print website, print document, copy, and agenda. You have your agenda. You can see how much homework you have. You can go back to essay writing. Then you can like write your homework. Like this is copied from my agenda. It's the book that we have in our school, so you can write do page 10 number 5, and you can do it for everything, for this, social studies, except I didn't have enough space for French, but that doesn't like do anything. Okay, I hope you enjoyed my tutorial. I'll make another one. Bye.